Hi, this is Rosie, the Director of Education at Milk Street, and this is another Milk Street at Home. Today we're going back into our pantry. It's still pantry time. We're going to grab 2 cans of chickpeas, and we're going to give them a canned bean facelift. We're going to char them, and by charring them, you are going to make the best chickpea salad you've ever eaten. To make this incredible and very simple salad, we're going to use pantry and refrigerator staples. You need chickpeas, salt, spices, your choice. I'm using fennel and cumin seed. And then you're going to need lemon and scallions. That's it. And in 7 minutes, maybe 8, if you really char your chickpeas well, you are going to be one happy eater. Step 1. You want to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a cast iron skillet, turn it on to medium high, and really get that oil hot, almost smoking or even just smoking. Then you want to add your 2 cans of roughly mashed garbanzo beans or chickpeas. And to that, you want to add half of your spice mixture. My spice mixture is roughly crushed fennel, roughly crushed cumin seeds, a tablespoon of each, and then 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. That's the most important part of developing flavor. Don't touch the ingredients. Let them get hot and let those chickpeas brown and even char in places. Once your chickpeas have a nice char on them, and you can just check, they won't char completely, but in places they'll be spotted brown. Then you want to add in 2 more tablespoons of olive oil and half of your scallions. Stir those around. Let them be, they'll soften. Another minute, the char will deepen, the scallions will mellow, the extra olive oil prevents it all from burning. Then transfer to a serving platter and mix in a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So that's equal amounts oil now to lemon juice. This is gonna make it bright and fresh after developing all that robust flavor. So a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, the remaining scallion greens, 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, so now we're layering in the lemon flavor, and your remaining spice blend. So now your spices are getting layered in again. And that's it. You're done. So simple. Remember, you charred your chickpeas. You gave them surface area by mashing them, and then you developed flavor through browning and charring. And then we added 3 ingredients each twice, so that the spices, the scallions, both got cooked and then added raw at the end, and lemon juice and lemon zest add 2 different types of lemon flavor. So again, short ingredient list, very common, humble ingredients, customizable too. You use your own spices, you might want to use lime juice, you could use a shallot instead of scallions, what have you. This is a template. Short, simple ingredients, and through great technique and understanding how to layer flavor, you've made something very impressive.